Hey guys, namaste. My name is Adikansh and welcome to the home leg workout routine. सबको पता है कि लेग्स कितना इंपॉर्टेंट मसल ग्रुप है. इस होम लेग वर्कआउट रूटीन में सिर्फ 3 एक्सरसाइजेज हैं दैट विल वर्क ऑन योर क्वाड्स, ग्लूट्स, हैमस्ट्रिंग्स एंड काफ्स. बेसिकली इट विल टारगेट योर होल लेग मसल ग्रुप. ये वीडियो आपको इसलिए देखनी चाहिए क्योंकि एक्सरसाइजेस के साथ साथ हम करेक्ट फॉर्म और करेक्ट लोड कब और किस लेग मसल पे लेना है उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, करेक्ट फॉर्म और करेक्ट मसल लोड और टेंशन से आपको मिलते हैं बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स. विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वर्कआउट.
वर्कआउट रूटीन के पहले लेग्स मसल्स और उनकी टर्मिनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए. Quads make your major front thigh. They are called quads because they are made up of 4 muscles. Hamstrings are located at the back of your thighs and in between your hip and knee. It provides movement of knee and hip. Glutes are your hip area and calves is the bulge at the back of your lower legs. Exercise number 1, the almighty squats. Squats are the foundation exercise when it comes to legs. You will find hundreds and thousands of videos on squats. But this is on you, the audience, कि आपको कौन सी वीडियो समझ में सबसे अच्छे से आती है. Stand with legs at shoulder width, toes pointing slightly, मतलब थोड़े से outward, hips going a little behind and don't bend your legs. Start going down by bending, move your knees forward and hips pointing out. Maintain tension in quads, hamstring, glutes and calves with maximum tension load on quads. Now do not stop at 90 degree but try to go as down as possible without compromising on your form. Now listen to this very carefully. When you go up, push from the center of your heels, bring your glutes and hamstring into play and push through hamstring, glutes and push from your heels. The mistakes you need to avoid at any cost. 1. Do not break your knees by moving them inside or moving them outside. Do not bend your lower back as it increases the chances for injury. Keep your back and neck straight in one line. If you are a complete beginner, then do it standing ahead of a wall or a chair by keeping your hips behind, and when you go down, try to touch the wall with your hips and do this while doing all the reps. If you find normal squats easy and comfortable, go with weighted squats. Do 8 to 12 reps, rest for 2 minutes and repeat 3 to 4 times. Exercise number 2, the lunges. Lunges are another amazing foundation exercise that works closely on same principle as squats. Stand in normal position with legs at shoulder width apart. Move one step ahead and bend till both the legs make 90 degrees. While bending, maximum muscle tension should be felt on quads of the leg moved ahead. Muscles included are quads, hamstring, glutes, calves and core. Make sure the ball of the foot and the knees are in straight alignment. Your knees must be straight above the ball of the foot, not ahead of toes or behind heels. While getting up, use the back foot to provide stability and push from the center of the forward leg foot through your hamstring, glutes and quads. Once up, repeat the same with another leg. I feel walking lunges are very effective as the body needs constant stability and your whole body muscles are used directly or indirectly. Do 10 to 15 reps, both legs, take 2 minutes rest, repeat 3 to 4 times. The third exercise, calf raises. Finish legs with calf raises. Stand at the end of the stair or any elevated top on your toes. Push from the ball of the foot and then come complete down and then push again from the ball of the foot. Do 10 to 12 reps, rest for 2 minutes, repeat 3 to 4 times.
रिमेंबर गाइस, जिम जाए बिना भी आप घर पे स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स पा सकते हो. लेग वर्कआउट्स ऑल्सो वर्क ऑन योर कोर, लोअर बैक स्टेबिलिटी एंड डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली इंक्लूड ऑल योर बॉडी मसल्स. इस वर्कआउट में बेसिकली लगते हैं 40 टू 50 मिनट्स और कोई इक्विपमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं चाहिए कि मैं घर पे वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाता हूँ. आपको 1 घंटा तो निकालना ही चाहिए एक्सरसाइजेस के लिए. कीप रॉकिंग, एम हाई, ऑलवेज हैव फेथ. मैं मिलूंगा आपको अगली वीडियो में थर्सडे एट 7:30 PM. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, टेक केयर.